Y'all, I'm struggling. I think we're gonna make it. Woo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B and I cover all things home organization, home decor, and lifestyle. So if you love content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video while you're at it. I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? As you can tell by the title, I am going to be packing with you guys. I wanted to take you guys along with me. I am going to Miami. I am so excited because your girl needs a vacation. So I'm going to Miami with some friends, and to be honest, like, when I travel, I gotta be organized. It's just important. Like, you gotta be organized. I'm actually gonna be trying out a new organizational system that I've never done before. I'm gonna be trying out packing cubes. So I'll let you guys know throughout my trip. I'm not gonna be vlogging my trip in Miami, but I'll let you guys know throughout the trip if I really like these packing cubes, because I'm curious and I saw a lot of debate on YouTube about it. So I gotta try it out for myself, because if I'm being honest, I'm the type of person to roll my clothing. Then I'll have like my toiletry bags and things like that. Like, I definitely have to have bags and separate things for all my items. But yeah, I mean, I'm excited to try them out. It'll be an interesting system to see if it really works, because I am an overpacker. Comment down below if you guys overpack. Like, am I the only one that overpack? Because your girl just need options, okay? All right, so these are the packing cubes that I got from Amazon. The little like zipper part fell off, so excuse that. They're called Baiakin. I don't know the correct way to pronounce this, but the packaging is really cute. This comes in a set of 6 packing cubes. This is actually my first time pulling this out the package, so let's see what's in here. Y'all, I'm really so excited for these packing cubes, because like I said, I saw so much debate on YouTube about this, and I just love my rolling method. So I'm curious to see if this works. All right, so like I said, it comes with 6 packing cubes. So the first thing that I got is a cube for my undergarment, and you can tell that's for your undergarments because it has like a little picture on the left hand corner, which I actually really love. So it has its own labeling, which you guys know if you have watched my videos. I'm really big on labeling, because how are you organized if you don't label? Like, you have to have some type of labeling and just kind of system in place. So I already love these already. This is actually supposed to be a shoe bag, and I actually got some more of these. So I ordered from a different company, which I'll show. Let me go get it. Let me show you guys. All right, I'm back. So when I was reading the description for this, I noticed that it only had 1 shoe bag. So I ordered some more shoe bags, and I really love these because I usually use like Kroger bags or like grocery bags to wrap my shoes in, or just put it in a separate part of the bag, because I don't want my shoes touching my clothes. Like, that is nasty. Don't do that. But yeah, I love these. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it's a pretty big bag, so I have pretty big feet. I wear like a size 9, so I feel like my shoe can fit these. So we'll see how this works. Like I said, this set of 6 only comes with 1 shoe bag, and I ordered some more shoe bags because I was just like, I just need these. This is a good investment. And it wasn't even, like, it wasn't super expensive at all. Definitely really cheap. And I'll be sure to link the company that I ordered the extra shoe bags from down below in the description box. But this is how they look. So just standard black bags. And they're not as big as this one. This is definitely like a large bag. I didn't notice that when I was ordering them. But I still think my shoes should be able to fit in these. So you guys will find out. We'll be finding this out together, because this is my first time unpackaging all of this. The next bag I have is my laundry bag, which I think is so cute. Oh my gosh. So I love this. If you have like wet clothing especially too, and you don't have a chance to dry it, you can put it all kind of in here, and that way it's all confined. Obviously it's not the biggest bag, but I mean, I think it will do the job if you just roll your clothes or just kind of try to compact it the best way you can. So definitely love this. All right, so the next cube that I got is like a, I guess it's like a shirt, I don't know, shirts and pants. So I guess you can put anything in this. The label just has like shirts and pants on here, so whatever you feel is necessary can fit here. But again, I love how it has the labels, so at least you kind of know. And they're different sizes too, by the way. Like this is, like the undergarments obviously is bigger than the shirt and the pant or pants kind of cube. So love that. And then it comes with another cube that's like shirts and pants too, but it's way bigger. So here's the size comparison. So I guess if I probably would put my jeans in here, because I would guess that my jeans are gonna be bigger than my like blouses and shirts or whatever, or kind of whatever you want to put that's a little bit more bulky in here. And then here's another cube. I really love this. This is probably the biggest cube, so it's kind of like large, medium, small, I guess. But this has like a pant symbol on it, but it also has like a jacket symbol too. So I love this because if you are going somewhere cold or you have something that's just way bulkier, you can probably fit it in this cube because it is bigger. Obviously you guys are probably like, how the heck is she gonna put all her clothing in these little small cubes? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna figure it out together. And like I said, once I'm finished packing and showing you guys my process, I will take you guys along with me to Miami just a little bit. I'm not gonna show my trip, but I'll show you guys just the different days of me using the cubes and show you how it works. So let's get to the packing. I'm not doing a carry-on. The suitcase that I got is it's pretty big. I guess you can say this is like standard size, but this is going to be a checked bag. I am going to, I guess, get all my outfits out. I have them already grouped, so I'm gonna get that out and then do that first and then do toiletries last, because I always like find that like I'm always forgetting toiletries or like I'm using something and I have to pack it like the day of after I use it. So I went to Target and kind of bought duplicates of stuff so I don't have to do that. But yeah, so I guess let's do the clothes first and then the toiletries after. Like I said, I have everything kind of categorized by day and based on the itinerary. So I guess let me show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing, because I'm excited. Your girl's excited. Like I said, I need this vacation. Really quickly, for Friday, we may go to a basketball game, not sure yet. But Friday is gonna definitely be kind of like a casual, chill, you know, day, because we'll be flying in from Atlanta to Miami. So I'm gonna wear this skirt. I actually got this from Marshall's and it was only $12. The camera won't focus. Yeah, anyway, it was on clearance for $12. Really love this. Such a cute like little like faux leather skirt, and I am going to wear it with this one piece, I guess. So yeah, very cute little one piece, and I think this is a really cute outfit. And then I'll pair it with these boots, so really cute. I also got some jeans and bodysuits, another bodysuit with like a blazer that I'm gonna wear. I love this blazer I got from Misguided. Just very cute like little blazer. Let's see, what else do I got? Things are kind of everywhere. I probably should kind of group the outfits together. So that's one. Well, 1, 2. Let's see. Then I have kind of like 2 options for brunch. So I may wear this cute little jumpsuit. It's really cute. Or this one. Not really sure yet. I love this one too. It's very cute. And then I'm gonna bring some options too, like some cute like little dresses. So I love this one. It's very like, it's casual cute. You can wear it out, you know, nightlife, whatever. So one of the pro tips that I have for just packing is to make sure you pack shoes that can be like versatile for your outfits. So obviously I'm gonna do like my black boots, which I could probably wear with like another outfit if I wanted to. It's Miami, so I probably won't be, like I wanna wear some open toe shoes. I love like these like chunky heels. I'll probably pack these because these can go with like a lot of things. So I only really used 2 packing cubes, the largest packing cube and the medium-sized packing cube. The largest packing cube had so much space left. I even kind of overpacked a little bit and added some extra clothing. And then the second largest packing cube I used for my pajamas as well as my workout clothing, which I had so much space left. So these are really, really great for like a week-long trip as well as if you're going on a month-long trip. So definitely, definitely, definitely love these. Alright, so I'm going to put my laundry bag on the side where my shoes are. Just going to lay that flat. And then I think the big bag, I could probably, maybe I'll do like my tennis shoes because these are really bulky. So, ooh, I love that. So that's going to go in here. I'm just going to, I guess, put the rest of my shoes. Some of these bags you can fit 2 pairs of shoes in one bag, especially the bigger one. But yeah, I think these are really great. Alright guys, so I got my toiletries and the jewelry that I need for the trip. I'm not a huge makeup person, so makeup is never really like an issue for me on trips. And so all my makeup fits in this bag. I do have like my pouch like for my brushes, so they do have to be in separate bags. Usually I just wear like false lashes and my foundation and do like a simple eyeshadow and I'm good to go, and everything kind of fits in here, so it's nice. A primer, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna put that in this cube. And it's nice because they're already in pouches, so I don't have to do too much work. And then I have all my hair care products in here, so like my brush, my comb, my bonnet's in here. You're gonna lay her hair down, she's natural. So I don't understand why it was hard for me to close that for a weekend trip. Like, what is wrong with me? I definitely have an issue. I definitely have a problem. But like I said, I love these packing cubes. They're good for overpackers, but I definitely feel like these packing cubes will be really useful for like if you're doing like a week-long trip. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Also, be sure to comment down below if you have used packing cubes or what is your packing method. Like, let me know. I'm interested to see kind of everyone's thoughts on packing cubes or what you typically do when you pack. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Good morning, guys, from Miami. I am so excited. Oh my God. So I have been in Miami for about a day or so. So I didn't do a clip yesterday to show you guys the packing cubes and everything, but I love these packing cubes. Like, these are like amazing. They're a lifesaver. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, but look at this view. Oh my gosh, so pretty. All right, so let me show you guys the packing cubes. So obviously I've been using them already, but I mean, I love these. So we are about to go walk on the beach. And so I'm probably gonna just wear workout clothes. So obviously my undergarments and my little bag that I pack my workout clothes in. And this is just so easy, but it's been so easy to keep everything neat and just kind of nice and organized. I've already kind of used like a day's worth of clothes and everything is just still organized. Usually my suitcase is just like super chaotic. I can't believe that I was packing without them before. Like, it just makes life so much easier, especially for your toiletries, because this always kind of, you know, becomes a hot mess by the end of the trip. So I really love these and I definitely recommend these. Be sure to check out the link below in the description box if you're interested. Like I said, 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend them. And they're so cute. Like, and they have different designs too if you don't like this one. This is the one that I picked and I really love this design, but if you're not really into this design, you can definitely pick another one. Bye guys.